I go with 2. Show you Pure Amigo. Just press the button. And then look at this longness. Let's see. This good with some tightening, but I don't have any. Follow for more. Part 2. First, press the button. It's so satisfying.